Now, the last movement, the 6 healing sounds, I didn't make up those sounds. Those were very ancient in China. And I searched and found them mentioned in various places. When you have something over a period of thousands of years, it can very well change the order. But I put them in the order so it's easy to remember what you say, ho, hu, so forth. Now, when you do it, this is not hard, it's firm. The hardness comes from the aspirating the sound. It's not ho, hu, su. You're not going to get the healing effects. The heart sound, stomach sound. Even though it's spelled C-H-U-I, it's really pronounced Chih, C-H-W-E-E. If there's a kidney problem or you have a problem with relieving yourself, so forth, you might try doing the whole thing with Chih. So it is done very firmly with the mouth. When you get this many people doing those sounds together, it almost should knock you out of the room. The very first teacher's training class in Los Angeles, East-West Center down near Vermont, the very remarkable lady who headed that came into where we were doing. We had a special little building in which we were doing it. There were 24, I believe, in the class, and we were doing the 6 healing sounds. And she walked in, and she wasn't prepared for it. She said, almost knocked her out of the building. If everybody is doing it firmly, now people are doing ho, ho, su, shu, nothing's going to happen. But if you do it with some enthusiasm, not do it. It's very effective movement, as I think you all know. The feeling was that the Taoist mystics who lived in the forest and so forth, just as the yogis in India realized, in order to be a good yogi, in order to be a good Taoist practitioner, you have to have good health. It's not easy always to stay in good health if you're living out in the forest on nuts and berries and so forth. And they feel very strongly that the use of these sounds will be healing. Ho is the heart sound, and if you feel it there. I asked one very fine acupuncturist, who really was one of the first in America, and he, strangely enough, had been the head of the War College in China. Well, I said, what made you switch? And he said, I saw too much killing. But I asked him about the efficacy of these sounds. Do they really heal and so forth? Yes, if used consistently.